so let's go to the next bit. So Control F11, let's have a look what we got. So he walks into frame, goes, hang on, wait, what did I just see? And then comes back. Alright, so this one's obviously going to be a little bit more work. Let's get rid of scenery. So I've done it. Whoops. Turned around. Now let's... So even though I've only got the top half, as we can see, it's going to turn around. Needs to do a bit of a sidestep here. So let's have a look how it goes. So he's got the walk. I think that at this point here, his body should... even though he turns around, I think at this point, I reckon this frame should be... Whoop, don't delete that. I think that this frame should be deleted. And at kind of this point, he's still going in a way. Because obviously people have physics. Oh gosh dang it. So let's put on those keyframes again. Auto keyframing. And he kind of just keeps going. Just enough. And we'll give him a bit of a twist as well. Rotate Z. Nope, this way. Okay. Now let's have a look, because I think at this point, what happens here? So this is the mover. Yep. Okay. So we kind of get this slide thing happening here. And because we've got the hips, so that means that almost at this point here, we do have a bit of an upstep. Whoops. Control Z. Let's get back in the middle here. And it just goes just ever so slightly. Just get that squash and stretch. Let me change this back to low. Okay. And maybe even here as well. Should just be a little bit higher. As he comes in, hang on. And obviously this foot slides now. So let's get it in that middle pose. Just lifts it slightly. Oof, keeps sliding. I think that he kind of almost leaves his foot there, brings the other one over. In this point here, we'll click paste. So his foot is definitely in the wrong spot. So probably about here, paste, Let's get this other foot happening. And so he claims his foot. Let's put this foot on the ground, which would probably be right click Z I. So at this point here, okay, because obviously you can't have two feet off the ground, no matter how skilled you are. And then, so both feet sliding? Yes, they are. So I'm going to copy this foot. And then probably paste to there. And we'll grab this foot again. Let's click I on that one. So, kind of, he is like pretty much walking. Up, down, up. Oops, bit of jarring. Down, up, down. And then up again. And let's get that foot going here. And we'll copy, paste. I think maybe we could even get rid of that one. And let's paste it here. Go up, remove this keyframe because we don't need that one. And this one is still up. Cool. And then we go up one more time. Cool. And with this bit, I'm doing a funny side step, but that's fine. So what do we got? So that's forward. So it means this hand will need to come out a little bit. We'll make this one go in. This hand will kind of rock back in, go out. And then back the other way. Okay. Let's give the hips a bit of a rotation as well, just to emphasize that a little bit. So we've got maybe we might even use this one, this bone. Okay, what do we got? So rotate. Kind of this point here. Kind of like this. And then once again he's back up. And then at this point we can go a little bit Is it a bit too much? Is that a bit too much? We'll give it a quick render. Let's have a look what happens.